Hi, welcome to another miscellaneous grocery haul. This time I went to Stop and Shop and ShopRite. So all of this you see I got here for $73 and some change. So I used, that's after coupons and rebates and sales and all that stuff. So I'm going to start out with Stop and Shop. That was a smaller run. They were having buy one get one free for these items here, so I ended up buying 4 sets, and I had coupons. So they weren't free, but they came out to a really good price per container, and I can't remember off the top of my head, but it was a good stock up for me. So I'll put those in the freezer. These were buy one and get 2 free, so I ended up buying obviously 3 packages. And I had a few months ago I had bought some Thomas's English muffins, and they had something wrong with them, so I contacted the company and I ended up having to send the item back to them, but they sent me coupons for basically like free items, several of those. So I used one of the coupons for that, and so I was able to get all 3 of these free. I bought some grapes. They were $1.99 a pound. So really those items were from Stop and Shop. The rest is all ShopRite. So I have these were on sale, and I had digital and regular coupons. So those 2 were free. Those were free with digital and paper coupons, and these were free with coupons. And then I bought, you had to buy one of each, and there were digital and paper coupons, so all of those things were free. Now this, I don't usually use these, so I'm going to give these 2 away to someone who might use it. I think someone that I know has a cat, and she says she likes to put it in her cat litter just to give it a little extra smell. I don't know how that works. So, but these and these I will definitely use. So those will go into the stockpile. This will go into the stockpile. My daughter might use that. Then the teas were free as well. So I bought this was new to me at least, a lemon lavender. And I find that sometimes I go in and I can find some really great flavors, and sometimes I go in and it depends on which store that you're going into. It really doesn't have a lot. This was Fireside Vanilla Spice, and then I got 2 samplers, a fruit tea sampler and an herbal tea sampler. So these were all free with coupons and after rebates as well. This was on sale for $1.49 a box, so I bought 4 of them, and I had a coupon from a while ago which I kept, and it was $3 off 3, so it was, I think I spent $1.47 on each. The reason this one's open, we haven't eaten it yet, but I wanted to see what the free movie night expiration date is, and it's good until December of 2019. So we'll just have 4 codes and have 4 free movies for $1.47. So I thought that was pretty good, very good. And I know for being frugal, we use the library a lot for free movies, but this is handy since we don't actually have Netflix. Nature Valley granola bars, or actually these are biscuits. I bought 2 of the peanut butter biscuits and 1 almond butter and 1 cocoa almond butter. They were having a sale and special. There was $1 coupons on some of the other products that actually you could use on this. So I got $1 off each box, and then I got a Catalina back. So be on the lookout for that kind of thing. Catalinas are really good. So I can't remember off the top of my head, but it was a decent price, so I bought 4 to put downstairs, and those will be gone pretty quickly in our house. I bought 8 Classico pasta sauces, and I didn't have any coupons for this. No, that's not true. I had 1 coupon from a previous Nature Valley Catalina coupon that had popped out last week. I used that. So this was, you buy 4 of these. They came out to $5.96. So 1 set was $5.96, and I got a $2 Catalina back from the company, so I was able to have that. It's basically 99 cents a piece. And then for the other 4, I used my Catalina and paid $3.96 and got $2 back. So this was new to me, Parmesan and Romano. So I got 2 of those, and I needed to really stock up on our pasta sauce because I had nothing left. And I know that you could make your own, and I've got lots of whole tomatoes and crushed tomatoes and everything canned downstairs, but sometimes I just don't have the time to do some of that. I bought a traditional sweet basil. This one is just a traditional family classic, nothing interesting there. And I bought 3 fire roasted tomato garlics. And then I bought a extra creamy Alfredo. So I thought we would use this for pizza night instead of a red sauce. Bertolli was, I think, $1.99 on sale, and I had a coupon, so this came out to be 99 cents. This was a creamy basil Alfredo style, so that would also be good for pizza. I needed mustard, so I bought a big thing of mustard for $1. Now it's interesting. This is a 20 ounce. This was $1. The smaller container, which was like, I think it was 14 ounces or less. Fewer actually. That was 99 cents. So for a penny more, I got almost. Yeah, this is a better deal. These were all free with coupons, so I bought 2 more tomato sweet basil, 2 harvest carrot and ginger, and I really wanted this flavor in all of them, but they didn't have it. So I did get a rain check because I have 2 more coupons that I could use. And then I bought 4 roasted red pepper and tomato. So we're set for soups. That'll be in the stockpile. They were having a special. These were $1 a can, and I like the low sodium kind, so I bought 4 cans. This was on sale, so I bought a thing of beef, and a pork loin was 99 cents a pound. So even though it says $12.25, it was less than that because I had a super coupon for that. These were on markdown, so I bought 4. This one is a taco. I've never had this. This is a taco ground beef, and this is for chili. The stickers over top of the flavoring, so I don't know. I'm not quite sure, but this one says for chili. So I got 2 of those and 2 of the tacos. So those will go right in the freezer. The Simply Orange Juice with coupons, and I'm trying to think. I think it was 2 for $5, and I had $1 digital coupon, and I had a paper coupon which doubled. So I spent $2.50, I think, for both of them. They were also having a special on if you buy three of things, like you had to buy things in 3s. So we were really low on breads. These are the slightly nicer breads. I bought an oatmeal, a 15 grain, a honey wheat, actually 2 oatmeals. And along with that, I stocked up on some of this cheese. The Arla cheese was $1.99. We really like Arla a lot. So I bought 2 Munsters, 2 Cheddars, and 1 Havarti. And then for the Galbani, it was $1.99, and there was $1 coupon practically right in front of it on the little blinky thing that pops out. So look for those coupons, and I bought this for 99 cents. And let's see, my last thing would be I bought 4 Kraft cheeses, 2 of the mozzarella parmesan and 2 of the cheddar Swiss. If you look for this expertly paired, they were $1. They were $2 a piece, I think. And I had, so I paid $4 for one set and $3 for another set because I had a super coupon. And then after Ibotta, and I used Ibotta rebate for them. And if anyone doesn't know, that's a great rebate place to go to. Most people have heard of it. Although I talked to people in the store and they've never heard of it. Anyway, it came out to like $1.04, I think. each, just a little over $1 for each of those. So that was a good price. They'll go into the freezer. So really freezer, and we'll eat some of that. Some of this will go into the freezer or refrigerator. All of this is stock up. I'm actually going to cut this up because I'll probably cut this up into either 2 or 3 sections, and that will be 3 different meals. This I'll keep whole, and I like to slow cook this with a lot of garlic and tomatoes and a little red wine in the oven, salt and pepper, and you're good to go for a while. And we eat it one night. It'll probably get 2 meals for us. So the rest of this stuff is basically just going into the stockpile, and really that's it. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right, bye.